Hi guys, my name is Kashish और मेरे चैनल पर आपका स्वागत है. So this is a video that I have been doing for a very long time now. आप लोग ने देखा होगा कि मैं monthly favorites करती रहती हूँ and I wanted to do it especially this month because it's my birthday month and I want to label everything as my birthday month because I am someone who usually is very excited about her birthdays but I don't know, since the last 2-3 years I haven't been quite excited. I was excited about my birthday this year, but as it came near, I'm not excited about it anymore. Without any further talking, let's quickly get into the video. First product that I recently started using, it has been a few days since I started using it, but I am obsessed. It is the Mrucha Beauty's liquid lipsticks. I am honestly a fan of it. It works exactly like a luxury brand, but they are giving it to us for 800 rupees, which I think is a great pricing because इनकी जो lipstick है, they work exactly like big brands. I currently am wearing the exact same lipstick and as you can see it's transfer proof. It feels so soft on your lips. It feels like मैं एक oil लगा रही हूँ which is tinted. As you can see, it just glides. It really glides. I'm not even exaggerating. Honestly, I saw a lot of people talking about how the price is very high, but I feel ये price में ना वो लोग Lux lipsticks वाली quality दे रहे हैं. So if you want to own a lipstick that has luxury वाली quality but is affordable, you definitely should try this. ये बहुत time तक रहती भी है. The next product that I have is this Dove's body wash. Now this body wash is so good. मैंने इसको पहली बार use किया, मैं patch test के लिए उसको सिर्फ यहाँ पर use कर रही थी and I could feel the difference. It made my skin so smooth and I love the difference that my skin gets after I exfoliate it. And this one right here is exactly that. It is an exfoliating body wash. It has these little beads inside it that exfoliates your skin, and this one makes it so soft and smooth. I am honestly blown away by the work that this does. Dove is really doing good in the body care range, and I am obsessed with how beautifully this works. If you are again looking for a body wash that will make your skin softer and make you feel good, this one's it. It has no fragrance, nothing. It doesn't have a strong fragrance or something. If you're expecting that, it won't make you smell good, but it will definitely make your skin feel so good. I absolutely love this one. Another favorite of mine is this Aqualogica का spraying sunscreen. Now as you can see, आपको I don't know आपको दिख रहा है या नहीं, but ये more than half खत्म हो चुका है. I love to carry this with me whenever I'm going out. This one right here is so easy to apply. All you have to do is spray it and just rub it. It makes the entire experience of applying sunscreen on your body so easy, and I just love this one. It's so nice. It feels so soft on your skin, but I only use this for my body. I have used it on my face sometimes when I don't have my face wala sunscreen, but I use this mostly on my body. However, it's safe for your face also, but I honestly love this. I think I can't do without this one. It is so good. I honestly genuinely love this one. It's just so easy to spray, as you can see, और बहुत सारा वो स्प्रे में निकालता है एक बार में. Smells good, makes the skin feel good. I love products that make my skin feel good and pampered and soft, so this one's definitely one of those. In my last shot, someone asked me what highlighter I am applying. It looked really good. Bought this from Miss Claire. ये उनका eye shadow है. I really loved it when I saw it on Nykaa and I instantly bought it. It's so pigmented and so nice. I'll show you. Now if you see, this is how pigmented it is and it looks so good. You can use it as an eyeshadow, you can use it as a highlighter. I love to use it as a highlighter. I've never used it as an eyeshadow, but मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. बहुत ज़्यादा pigmented है, stay भी अच्छा है and बहुत ही अच्छा glow देता है. As you can see, I've applied it अभी भी. I just love it. It's just so nice and it's just one of my favorite and it's so affordable. I think it's under 100 rupees. It's definitely worth buying, worth keeping it in your makeup pouch, trust me. Next up we have this setting spray by Mars which is called Seal the Deal. Now this is such a good setting spray. I honestly love it. It is almost over and I am definitely going to buy a new one. It is so good, so refreshing, and it keeps your makeup intact. I will I just love applying it. It's just so good. It makes my skin feel super nice and totally does the job. It is long lasting. It keeps my makeup intact for hours. I'm not kidding. And it's so very affordable. If you're looking for a good setting spray, you should definitely look out for this one. Next up, we have something that I love to eat. It is something that you might have seen. It is the Yoga Bars muesli. It is in the flavor dark chocolate plus cranberry, and this is something that I love to eat. I've literally hooked so many people to this. Everyone who eats this or tastes this loves it. I started eating this and my mom tasted it, and ever since then I've never seen my drawer where we keep this empty. हमेशा घर पे इसका एक पैकेट होता है. Every day in the morning she eats this with milk. Everyone जिसको भी मैंने टेस्ट कराया, all of them love it and all of them have been hooked to this. So if you are someone who wants to start eating healthy and are looking for alternative, this is great for breakfast. It is also great. I eat it रूखा, like without milk. I eat it during breakfast और evening. मुझे snacks के टाइम पे भूख लगती है. मुझे शाम को सबसे ज़्यादा भूख लगती है जब मैं अपनी डाइट पे चीट करने का सबसे ज़्यादा वो होते हैं चांसेस. And that is when I eat this. It really makes me not cheat on my diet and it fulfills my craving. Next up, we have this light gel by Pond's. I fell in love with it. I have been applying it every day. Now there are a lot of ways that you can use it. It is a super light gel which feels exactly like water and it makes my skin feel so hydrating and so soft. I have a very dry skin and this makes my skin feel very moisturized and very soft honestly, because इसका जो पूरा texture है वो बहुत ही watery है. So I honestly love to apply this before I go to bed, and even after I wake up, it makes my skin feel very plump, soft and hydrated. I have added this to my skincare routine and it's very good. It's affordable. You can buy it on Blinkit and Zepto also. I also ordered mine from Blinkit, I think, but it's so good. I honestly love this one. Next up, we have another sunscreen, which is the Dot & Key's Vitamin C plus E Super Bright Sunscreen. This sunscreen is my favorite. I apply it almost every day. It is so good. It literally feels like water. This is how the consistency is. Look at it flowing. That is how thin the consistency is. And it is so easy to blend in, and the best part is it leaves no white cast. I know almost all sunscreens in the market, they don't leave a white cast nowadays, but look at this. It just goes away in your skin. Like your skin just absorbs it quickly and it just makes my skin feel so soft. And as I said, I really love products that make my skin feel good, and this is one of them. I absolutely love. If I have to rate my number one sunscreen, this would be one, and it has SPF 50 PA++++. So good. Like not only the feel is good but the protection is also good, so I love it. This little perfume by Moody is one of my favorites right now. If you can see, I have already ended half of it and it's one of my favorite. It is called Strawberries and Champagne. It's a mini and it's so good. It's very fruity and fresh. I love fruity fragrances. This is the current perfume that I always have in my purse. It smells so good. जैसे मैंने इसका ढक्कन खोला, I could smell it. Smells heavenly. I absolutely love it. ऐसे मीठी सी फ्रेग्रेंस है स्ट्रॉबेरी, तो मुझे तो बहुत अच्छी लगती है. प्लस इट इज़ पिंक, सो द पैकेजिंग इज ऑल्सो ग्रेट. आई लव इट. इट्स सो क्यूट. इट्स वेरी अफोर्डेबल. इट कम्स इन दिस लिटिल टाइनी पैकेज, so it's very portable, easy to just pop it in your purse or in your handbag, anything. It's very cute. I love it and it smells delicious. Next product that I'm going to show you is an empty. I have to order a new one. It's over, but I am obsessed with this one. It is the Chemist at Pleka Underarm Roll-On. Now you must have seen a lot of people obviously using it and recommending it, and I am another one joining the bandwagon. It is so good. If you apply this, you will not have sweat on your underarms or any bad odor, and it's very soft and gentle on the skin. I don't know आपको दिख रहा है कि नहीं, but yeah, does the job. Almost empty. खत्म हो गया है, मतलब एक दो बार और यूज़ कर सकती हूँ, but does the job perfectly. I love it and I think I bought this in April. I bought this in March and अभी नवंबर चल रहा है, अब जाके ख़त्म हो रहा है. मैं इसको रोज़ यूज़ करती हूँ फिर भी, तो काफ़ी अच्छा चल गया. इट्स अफोर्डेबल एंड इवन इफ इट इज़ थोड़ा सा एक्सपेंसिव, दिस इज सेफ. सो इसलिए मैं आपको सजेस्ट करूँगी कि आप ये खरीद. नेक्स्ट अप इज माई करंट फेवरेट एंड माई करंट ऑब्सेशन. इट इज़ द फॉक्सटेल का दिस लिप बाम. इट इज़ द ब्राइटनिंग लिप बाम एंड इन द शेड ग्लेज्ड लिप्स. इट ऑल्सो हैज़ SPF 30. and it has peptides, vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and microspheres. The packaging is so cute and I love it. Not only for the packaging, it's so amazing on your skin. The days that I'm not shooting or I have to go out, I just put on this on my lips and also on my cheeks. I'll show you how beautiful its pigment is. Look at this. It is, the pigment is so pretty and it gives you that natural blush in case if you apply it on your cheeks, but even if you apply it to your lips, it gives you this very pretty pink shade on your lips. So good on your lips. It has really healed my chapped lips. It looks very natural on your lips. It's so good. It comes in it comes in 4 shades, I think. You can choose the shade that suits the best. I love this one. It's pink, so if you apply it here and on your lips, it looks amazing. I love it. And if you are looking for a lip balm that's not pigmented, you know what to use. It's the Hyphen Basic OG Lip Balm. It's so good. Again, it's moisturizing, hydrating, doesn't leave your lips dry or chapped. Very good if you are looking for something that has no pigmentation or no color. Love this one. Again, you will always see me applying these two. I love them so much. Next up, I have my favorite loose powder, which is by Inside Cosmetics. It's so good. It keeps my makeup intact, doesn't let my makeup get creases. I am wearing it right now and I just love how it feels. It's so easy to apply, blends in my skin easily. बहुत ही कम निकलता है इस dots में से, but it is really good. Really good. Like, it's so good. I love it. I personally love it. It's very smooth, gives my face a good look, so I like it. Again, since we are talking Inside Cosmetics, I love the Inside Cosmetics ka blusher. It's so pigmented, it's so affordable. Great if you want to invest in something that is very budget friendly and does the job amazingly. So good. Look at this pigment. It's very soft on your skin. It's so good. I love the pigment and I love the stay. It stays on your skin for a very long time and बहुत ही अच्छा है. The next product that I love from Inside Cosmetics is their color corrector. Now you will see there are so many color correctors in the market which are on the expensive side, but this one has all of the colors that you would get in another one and does the job amazingly. The pigment is amazing. I'm currently using the concealer in this and the color corrector in this and I honestly love it. It does an amazing job. I only use these two, but I have it just in case if I ever want to use it on myself or someone I know, and it's just so affordable. It's very affordable and does the job beautifully. If you want a color corrector, a concealer all in one, this is a great investment. It's very inexpensive and does the job amazingly. Last product of this video is the Soulflowers hair serum. Now I love it. It is the Rosemary Redensil hair serum. It has done wonders. मैंने आप लोगों को पहले भी दिखाया, मैं इसको स्प्रे करती हूँ, मेरे यहाँ पर बाल नहीं थे एंड इट एक्चुअली हेल्प मी ग्रो सम हेयर हियर, हैज़ हेल्प मी ग्रो बैक हेयर इन द प्लेसेस दैट आई डोंट हैव. आप जैसे कि देख सकते हो आगे मेरे छोटे छोटे जो बेबी हेयर ग्रो हो रहे हैं, ऑल इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ दिस. इट इज़ सो गुड एंड आप देख सकते हो मैं इसको काफ़ी टाइम से यूज़ कर रही हूँ बट बहुत ही कम खत्म हुआ है अभी भी. सो वॉट आई मीन बाय सेइंग दैट इज हैव टू स्प्रे अ वेरी स्मॉल अमाउंट एंड इट डज द जॉब. इट्स so good. I think it's working great for me. So that was all for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed watching it. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो इसे लाइक कीजिए, इस पर कमेंट कीजिए and share it with your friends and family. And I will see you very soon in my next video. Until then, bye.